Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between personal and business TikTok account. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. And then once you're in here, just tap on your profile at the very bottom. Now tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the very top. Wait a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, just tap on Account right here. Wait a bit, and then once done, you'll be able to see switch to business account right here if you are under a personal account. Okay, so as you can see here, mine already says business verification because this is a business account. All right, so that's just basically the process. If you want to go back to your personal account, just tap on switch to personal account right here. You won't be able to see the switch button unless you've verified your business. All right. So make sure that you verify your business and then switch to personal account. And that's how easy it is to switch between personal and business TikTok account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.